Hi everyone,
Hi everyone,
this is Muhammad Eldi Maulana,
and this is Jason Willy.
and we are from Chandra Kumar School. Today, we would like to present.
The results of our research title called Dried Banana Leaves as an Electron Producing Layer in Capacitor. This research was supervised by Mr. Renges Fernando.
We all know that electronic devices are developing rapidly in recent years, and all of them require efficient energy storage. One of the more common energy storage is a capacitor, which is able to store and release electrical energy very quickly. The problem is, most capacitors are made from non-eco-friendly materials such as aluminum electrolytes and synthetic polymers. These materials are not biodegradable and can contribute to environmental waste. Because of this, we become interested in finding alternative materials that are more eco-friendly. We chose dried banana leaves. Why banana leaves? Because they contain lignocellulose and carbon-rich structure that could help in storing electric charge. Banana leaves are usually discarded as agricultural waste. That means they are cheap, natural, and sustainable.
In our research, we focus on three main questions. Can dried banana leaves function effectively as an electron producing layer in capacitors? How does the surface area of dried banana leaves influence their charge storage capacity? Why were dried banana leaves chosen compared to other biomass materials? Our objective is to test the effectiveness of banana leaves as a capacitor material and to analyze whether or not the surface area plays an important role in its charge storage ability.
This research takes place in Chandrakumala School Physics Laboratory from 13 to 29 of August 2025. The apparatus and materials we use are as the following: dried banana leaves, aluminum tape as electrodes, fox glue as adhesives, a DC power supply, multimeter, wires, scissors, and a ruler. We prepared 5 capacitor samples with different sizes: 5 times 10, 5 times 15, 5 times 20, 5 times 25, 5 times 30, all in centimeters. The banana leaves are dried. In this procedure, we are cutting the banana leaves by 5 cm in width, 30 cm in height, making 3 copies. Then, we take the aluminum sheet that is 1 cm shorter in both height and length of the banana leaves, cutting out 2 sheets. The 2 aluminum sheets are applied with adhesive sticking onto the both sides of banana leaf. We move on to a 9 cm copper wire, cutting out each edge jacketing by 1 cm. Apply each wire to the opposite side of the sheeted banana leaf, one sticking out at the top, the other one at the bottom. Apply more adhesive to the 2 copies of the banana leaf, sticking them to each side of the sheeted banana leaf, rolling it up tightly for a capacitor. Each capacitor was charged with 6 volts and 12 volts for 5 minutes, and then the stored voltage was measured using a multimeter.
The results are quite counterintuitive. The smallest capacitor, 5 by 10 cm, stored the highest voltage. Other sizes show slight trend going higher the bigger the surface area, except for 5 by 20, which is surprisingly higher in comparison to other capacitors, and 5 by 30, which stored a much lower voltage than expected. The inconsistency of the results are variables that isn't accounted for, such as the quality of banana leaves can vary, for example, in moisture, fiber density, and texture. Larger samples are harder to wrap neatly, which can trap air bubbles and cause leakage. The amount of glue used was not measured, so the results across samples may not have been consistent.
From this research, we can conclude that dried banana leaves do have potential as an eco-friendly capacitor material. Although the results are not perfect, this study shows that banana leaves can indeed work as an alternative dielectric material.
For future research, we suggest measuring more variables such as leaf thickness, discharge rate, humidity of the environment, and also making direct comparison with other sustainable capacitors. This way, we can know whether or not banana leaves can truly compete with other materials.
This is all from us. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye!
Bye.